Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2017 Tahoe. A real nice car for a real nice guy. It's got a dent. Where is it? It's got a dent right here in the shade, right there. Just an annoying little dinger, and it actually had a little scuff in it, but we got the scuff out. We got the microphone on today so you guys can hear us, and we're actually in a parking lot right next to another vehicle. We got to be really careful. We got the umbrella up, and I'm just gonna take Bertha, guys. I've got my wedging guard in there, and I'm just gonna take Bertha, and I'm gonna get right on down into that dent. And I think lickety split, just take this one out real slow, making some baby pushes right in that. I'm using the white and black lines. Hopefully you guys got a good visual on it. And at this point in the video is when I say I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on this video. I really do. If you would hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends, we sure appreciate it. Oh, I'm making some good pushes there. And when I start to get a lot of pressure on it, I know I don't want to push against a window real tight. But I get my sharper tool, my orange, coming down to the center of that dent. And it is kind of sharp and stretched for a little tiny dent, but the saving grace factor is that it's on white. And so we'll keep you guys in for this whole dent. I'm not prepared to do any tapping right now because my high spotter is in my bag still, but I just figured we'd start this up. Now I'm on it. I'm holding it where I want to hold it, but I'm just moving it a millimeter forward. That's a tough push, guys. I think what I want to do, just because I am pushing pretty hard, I rarely use this guard, but I'm gonna come in here in front of the window, make my check. So I always look, either use my finger or my little wedge here, look on down, hello, make sure I'm in front of that window. Always double check, triple check. Now I've got a big, huge piece of plastic that's kind of wedged against the round of this window that drops down right about here. So I'm kind of almost using the window itself and the plastic guard as a brace, which I would not suggest, because especially on a sharp dent, could do damage if you push the wrong way. Now, how do I know I'm not going to break the window? Because if you see my hand right here, I'm pulling on this bar. I'm pulling on this bar as I'm pushing on the dent and twisting it, so I'm using my hand as the fulcral loved ridge point. Words. But now you can see that dent is almost just non-existent. I'd say a tiny little orange peel. Yeah. And let me just finish it off. Once again, saving grace is that it's white, right? So I think what we're gonna do, guys, is, I got a little tiny pocket. Let me push one more time on that little tiny pocket, just because I know I have perfect access. And what we will also want to do is cross-check, right? Please excuse the background noise. We got some action going on. We're out in nature, and it is a beautiful day today. So it's already about 85 degrees, and that's why I'm not using the heat. I know the heat gun is pretty much essential on any larger dent, but this was not a larger dent, guys. This was a small one. We just took it out real nice. That last little pocket, if you guys can see it, then I'm just gonna say good for you, good eye, because when I pull this board off, the customer definitely won't see it. And actually I just got it out anyway. So on that note, give it another little cross-check the angle. Sweat's dripping. But this is what I love to do, guys. I'm not going to complain about a hot day. I love it. Oh, that last little bit right there. One more tiny push. Just to flush it out. Now, if anything, it has a pinch, a tiny little high. So, since we're going for 99% on this one, let's grab Hammy and Tappy and just find it. Oh gosh, I can't even find it. Where was it? Honestly, guys, I can't even find it. It was somewhere around here.
Oops, to be gone.
Yeah, it does look to be gone. I was gonna say, if I could find a high spot, I'd tap it down, but I can't. So instead, I'll just say the thing. Check it out, guys. That's worth a like. If you want, hit us up on social media. You know, share us on your social medias. But we've got a couple more little tiny dings to do on this car, and so keep a lookout for those. Other than that, I will just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.